In today's video, we're going to talk about Browse.ai and how to automate web scraping without writing any code. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've ever needed data from a website but had no idea how to pull it without copying and pasting everything by hand, this video is for you. A lot of people hear the term web scraping and assume that it's super technical or complicated, but Browse.ai is built to remove that barrier. It essentially lets you collect data from websites using simple clicks instead of writing any code. I'm going to keep this very beginner friendly and show you exactly how it works. Let's get into it. Before we dive in, let's also just start with the basics of what Browse.ai is and some of their key features. So Browse.ai is a tool that helps you collect information from websites automatically. Instead of manually copying text, prices, or lists from a site, Browse.ai lets you train a robot to do it for you. You essentially just show the robot what data you want by clicking on it. The robot learns from those clicks, and then it collects the data for you. Everything runs in the cloud, which means the robot can work even when your computer is off. Now for some of the key features. So one of the biggest features of Browse.ai is the point and click data extraction. You don't need to write code or understand anything technical. You simply open a web page, click on the data you want, and the robot learns what to collect. Another key feature is the custom robots. So each robot is trained for one specific task. That could be collecting prices, pulling a list, or tracking updates on a page. This just keeps everything organized, and that way you can tell the robot what to focus on. Browse.ai also offers pre-built robots. So these are ready-made templates for common tasks. If you see one that matches what you need, you can use it right away without training anything from scratch. Also, like I mentioned before, the platform runs entirely on the cloud. So this means your robot can run even when your computer is completely turned off. You don't need to keep a browser open or worry about manual runs every time. Browse.ai also supports scheduled runs. So you can tell a robot to run daily, weekly, or set a custom schedule. This is really helpful if you want to monitor changes over time instead of just scraping data just once. Another really useful feature is data export and integration. So once data is collected, you can export it to a CSV file or even send it directly to tools like Google Sheets. This just makes the data super easy to review and reuse. Browse.ai also includes basic change detection. So if a website updates its layout slightly, the robot can often adapt without needing to be retrained. This just helps reduce maintenance over time. And finally, everything is managed from a single dashboard. So you can see all of your robots, runs, and data in one single place, which just makes it so much easier to stay organized as you create more robots. Now, here's what you can use Browse.ai for. It's really useful for many simple tasks, such as collecting product prices, tracking changes on websites, gathering lists or tables, monitoring job postings, or even pulling headlines or updates. You don't need to be a developer. You don't need to install anything complicated. You just need a website and a goal. Now let's go ahead and get into what Browse.ai actually looks like on the inside. So if you want to go ahead and follow along, you can get signed up with a free account using our exclusive link down in the description below. Once you click that link, you can click Get Started for free. From here, you'll just go ahead and put in a username and password and get signed up. You can sign up with Google as well. Okay, so once you're on the inside, here you can see all of your robots are going to be right here. This is where all of your workflows will be. This is the API key if you need one. And then this is the usage. So you can see used credit, total tasks, average success rate, total captured rows. So you can see performance over time as well. Then you've just got billing and you've got your workspace settings. Okay, so now all we have to do first is build a new robot. So we'll just select a category below, which is extract structured data or monitor site changes. So let's go ahead and extract structured data. So we're just going to go ahead and put in a URL. So we're going to go ahead and click Start Training Robot, and then we'll click Robot Studio. Okay, now over here it says, what data do you want to extract? Do you want to capture text? Do you want to capture a screenshot so you can select the entire page? Okay, now if we want to capture text, we can go ahead and click this, confirm. You can enter a label. Okay, so obviously depending on what kind of data you need and what you're going to be searching for is what you're going to go ahead and be selecting. Okay, so if you want to capture even more text from a list, maybe all of these you want to capture, and then it's just extracting all of that data. Okay, you can go ahead and save the captured list. Maybe the maximum will be, as soon as we are done, we can go ahead and click finish, and then all of the data that we wanted to collect is going to end up here. Yep, so we can just name this robot product details. Amazing. Now it's currently running the task on a cloud server. So as soon as it's done, we'll be able to see all of the data in here. What's really cool about it is it just makes it really easy. Everything is step by step. Everything is very intuitive. You don't have to know any coding or anything technical to be able to extract any of this data. It's really, really powerful. Okay, so now you also can download everything from here. You can look at the tables. You can look at the history. You can monitor lists if that's something that you want to create. You also can, like I said, integrate with things like Google Sheets. You can send data directly to a specific place. There's also other follow-ups. I just love how it makes everything step by step for you. So if you want to set up monitoring, so you can schedule the robot to regularly extract data. You can add integrations, so connect to Google Sheets. And then there's also deep scraping. So you can chain two robots together to extract data from the URLs extracted by the first robot. You also can do things like schedule the robot. So if you want it to run automatically, you can set that schedule. It's really useful for monitoring changes over time, maybe like daily price tracking, weekly updates, regular content checks. Scheduling is optional and it can, of course, be added later as well. Now, I wanted to just touch on the different plans and pricing options so you are aware. Okay, so they've got a monthly plan and an annual plan. I'm going to go over the annual plan because you can get a 20% discount and all credits up front. They do have a free plan though, so that's 50 credits per month. You get access to 2 websites, 3 users, unlimited robots, and full platform access. Then next is their personal plan, which is $19 per month billed annually, and that's 12,000 credits. If you wanted to increase to 24,000 credits, then that would go up to $38 per month. With this, you get 5 websites, 3 users, unlimited robots, full platform access, basic email support, and more. Then their most popular plan is the professional plan, which is $69 per month billed annually. This is 60,000 credits per year. If you wanted to increase, it would also increase the price as well. But with this, you get 10 websites, 10 users, again, unlimited robots, everything that's in the personal plan and more. Then we've got the premium plan, which is starting at $500 per month billed annually. And again, that is 600,000 plus credits per year. So they will essentially work with you to create customized solutions. So customized limit on users, websites, and credits, data transformations, exclusive scale discounts, data management, and a dedicated account manager. So I would just recommend start with the free plan. Go check it out, see if you like it, and see if it would fit into your workflow. Now that you understand how to use Browse.ai, let's talk about some pros and cons so you can decide if it's a good fit for your workflow. So starting off with the pros, it's very beginner friendly. No coding is required. Robots are also very easy to train, and cloud execution saves so much time. And lastly, it works really well for simple and repeatable tasks. Now for some of the cons. So some complex websites can be harder to scrape, and of course the free plan does have limits. You also may need to retrain robots if a site changes a lot, and it's also not built for advanced scraping workflows. So again, just some things to keep in mind before investing. Now, is Browse.ai for you? Browse.ai makes sense if you need to collect data from websites but don't want to learn how to code. If the idea of scripts, selectors, or technical setup feels pretty overwhelming, this tool is really designed specifically to remove that barrier and make data collection feel so much more approachable. It's really helpful for small businesses, researchers, and marketers who need information on a regular basis. This could include tracking prices, gathering product details, monitoring competitors, or collecting updates from specific pages. Instead of doing this manually over and over, Browse.ai automates the process for you. On the other hand, if you need heavy automation or advanced interactions, you may need a more technical tool. Browse.ai really isn't meant for complex workflows that require logging into multiple accounts, filling out forms, or interacting working deeply with dynamic websites. It focuses on simplicity rather than full customization. But for simple scraping tasks, this is one of the easiest options available. If your goal is to quickly and reliably collect visible data from websites without technical effort, Browse.ai really does do a good job of keeping things straightforward and manageable. Before we wrap up, I just wanted to touch on a couple of bonus tips to really help you get the most out of Browse.ai. So first off, start with a simple website before trying complex pages. Choose a page that has clear text or lists and no login requirements. This is just going to help you understand how robot training works without extra complications. Next is to train one robot at a time. Focus on one task, one website, and one goal. Trying to build multiple robots at once can get confusing and just makes it harder to spot mistakes. Next is to check results after they run. Always review the data your robot collects. This is going to help you catch issues early and make small adjustments before relying on the robot long term. And lastly, do not overcomplicate the setup. Use the default settings when possible. Browse.ai is designed to work right out of the box, especially for beginners. As a personal note, I know that this kind of tool can feel very intimidating at first, especially if you've never worked with data extraction tools before. But again, Browse.ai is designed to make this process very simple and approachable. If you want to try Browse.ai for free, don't forget to use our exclusive link down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do decide to use our link, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content and tutorials just like this. This channel is dedicated to breaking down AI software tools in a simple, honest way so you can work smarter without needing the crazy technical skills. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you aren't already. And of course, leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.